Hi my beauties, welcome back. So today I have an Amazon favorites video for you guys. Lately I've been staying home, and with this quarantine I've been ordering a lot of things from Amazon, and I decided to make a video since it was a lot of things already. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay guys, here I have these two containers. I put some Q-tips in here and I put some little pads here. I saw them and I was just like, I need them, and they also had them in this color, which if you guys know me, this is my favorite color. I just have them here in my vanity. I love that I can keep my things organized now. And how cute are these? They're really small. If you've been looking for some little containers to organize your things, I suggest these. They have them in a lot of colors. They have it in pink, teal, black, white, clear. I'm gonna try to link all the things that I got down in the description. So yeah, so these are my first favorites. Okay guys, so this second favorite is something that I've been eyeing for a while already, and I didn't want it too big or too small, so I feel like this one was just the perfect size for me because I don't really own a lot of jewelry. So it's this little jewelry box. It does have a very soft velvet feel to it, and then here on the top it has like a little acrylic glass. I open it and this is what it looks like. So on the right side I have some of my earrings and some rings, and here on the left side I just have some bracelets. I have some Alex and Annie. I have some Pandora. Nothing too big, well, nothing too crazy. And then the thing that I like is that this actually goes up and there's a whole other department to store your things. So mine looks like this. Again, I don't have a lot of things. Mine is like the perfect size for me. Again, other people may have a lot more, a lot less. I personally don't have enough to fit all of this, but you know, as time goes by I can keep on filling it up. So yeah, this is another favorite. Again you guys, everything that I do mention here I'm gonna try to find and put it down in the description. I wanted to mention these little back hooks. I always tend to lose them. It's like the ones you put in back of the earrings. So I found this pack. I'm not sure how many it brings. I'm just gonna try to link it down, but it brings a lot. This is what it brings. I'm always losing the little back pieces, and I just decided to get a whole bunch so I never run out. Okay, now jumping to some hair products. I actually got this pack of little clips. They're from the brand Framar or Framar. Right here you can see. I know a lot of hairstylists that use these, and I wanted to get some for myself because I literally don't know what to use. Every time I'm blow drying it and I have to like section my hair, so now I have a bunch of these little cute clips. They come in all these colors right here. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these everywhere because everyone is using them now. They are the dent free clips right here. So this set of mine came in 9. If you're a makeup artist, you can use these on your clients, so you can put the hair towards the back and they won't have any dents. So another hair product that I did get was this. I've been trying to look for these, like these little steel, you just put your hair and I promise you you're gonna have a straight line. They came in a pack of 3, so it was like 3 for like $5.99, and I just gave one to my grandma and my mom and I kept one. And how cute is it? It's pink, $5.99 for like 3 of them. Pretty good deal. Okay, so moving on to a little obsession that I got during quarantine. Essential oils. And you guys, it's become a real deal addiction buying oils for my diffuser. I just really like my room smelling really clean and yummy. I'm more of like fall scents. I know some people don't really like them, but they're my favorite scents, and I went a little bit overboard buying some essential oils. They're right here. That's my favorite brand right now, so I'm gonna tell you guys all my favorite oils that I have gotten. Okay, so this brand P&J has been my favorite brand. These were like $6, I believe, and they're like 1 ounce. Like, they're pretty big, as you can see. Like, compared to my hand, they're pretty big. These will last you forever. You only need like 4 or 5 little drops and your room will be smelling great. This is the Harvest Spice. Okay, now this one has to be one of my favorite scents, the pumpkin pie. It just smells delicious. It smells like fall, like straight up fall. This is my favorite one. Like, if you guys are looking for a good essential oil that will smell like pumpkins, coziness, this is the one. This one right here is Sugar Cookies. This is a very subtle scent. It's not gonna be like super out there. This one is Warm Vanilla Sugar. Is really good, really yummy. Also on the subtle side. Okay, this one is Peppermint. Not for everyone, I will say. Me personally, I love peppermint smells. The peppermint, everything I would get. I love the scent Peppermint, but it's not for everyone. So if you do enjoy peppermint, I did get another peppermint from another brand and it's not the same. So if you do want a good peppermint oil, I suggest this one from P&J. I love their things. I just love their scents. Compared to others, they're the best for me. If you guys do know other brands that are really good, because I did try some and they were not it. I did not like the way they smelled at all. So if you guys do know other brands that are really good, let me know down in the comments, because I have an addiction to buying essential oils now. And lastly is this one. It's that type of scent that, again, is not for everyone. So you know when you like walk into the store and you smell like those Christmas trees? Yeah, that's what this smells like. Really, really good. I love the smell. Again, I love fall, Christmas scents. I love all of that. So these are my personally favorites. They do have a lot other more scents. Like, they're not Christmas. They're like typical scents like lavender, vanilla, all those other scents they do offer. But these are my favorites right now, and I do plan on getting more. So another thing that I did purchase, this container. I started to get a lot of oils, like I mentioned, and I was like, where the heck am I gonna put these? So I just decided to get this little container. It's really cute, acrylic top, and then the bottom is like plastic. They do have a lot more different colors. I decided to go with this little cute beige color. I feel like it looks really clean. It's pretty big. Like, guys, look how big this is. I love it. I've been obsessed with getting containers for my room to organize everything. So yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's pretty big, so I just put all my oils in here, and yeah, they look really cute. And I love that it's see-through right here, so I can see where the oil is. The one that I want, I can see where it is and just grab it. And just like this, I organize all my oils. Okay, so here's my diffuser. It is not from Amazon though. I will say it is from Criglin's. It was like $30, I believe, and you guys, it's pretty good. Like, I've seen diffusers that are like 100 plus, and I'm just like, what? So this one I decided to get it because it is white and it does have a marble finish on the bottom. I wanted my diffuser to look clean, not something too out there. It does change colors up here on the top. You can either put it for it to change colors, or you can put it as like a candle effect. And you guys, how cute is it? It's not something too big. I didn't want my diffuser to be big either. So right here, how cute is it? So pretty. I love anything marble. As soon as I saw that it was marble, I was sold. So yeah, here's my diffuser. Okay, moving on to a little bit of skincare slash makeup side. I've been obsessing with my little cooler. I've been had this for a while, so I will say that I do enjoy this a lot. So let's see, let's open it. Hopefully it doesn't fall. So it looks like this. I have some eye creams over here, some face masks, some moisturizer right here, some little chocolate right here. Here you can also put like some masks. Everything just feels so much better when you put it on your skin. It's like really cooling, especially the eye creams when I put them under my eyes, and they just feel so good. I would recommend this if you're really into skincare. It is kind of expensive. I think this one was like $60 around there. Okay, also, I know you guys have seen these everywhere. I do not have all of them here in my room right now because me and my mom wear them. As you can see, I do have one on right now. These are the ones that I have in my room right now. You guys, these are amazing. They're really good quality. They're not expensive at all for a whole bunch. They're probably like around $10–11. My mom wears them all the time. I just feel like these are amazing to have in your drawers. You never know when you might need these to style up your hair. I did say in the beginning of this video that I ordered a lot of things that I probably don't even need. I did get a pack of these little cute pens right here. These pens are all over the house, my mom's room, my grandma, the kitchen, everywhere. These are so cute. Again, you don't really need these, but they were like $8. Whatever it is that you are doing and you want something cute to write with, these are it. Okay guys, so here I have this photo album, and I was looking for like a photo album to keep my Polaroids. It looks like this when you open it. It peels off, and then you just put your pictures. You can make it like a collage. You can actually put the pictures however you want, and then when you're done, you pull down this little plastic thing over the pictures, and then it'll look something like this. As you can see, I did put them as like a collage. Some Polaroids. Ugh, this is heavy, sorry. Some Polaroids right here. I put them however. As you can see, you could write on it. It did bring like a little marker that you can write with. It also brought stickers. I did put stickers all around. You know, you can make it your own. You can make this your own little collage however you want it. Here, put family. So yeah, they do come in different colors, and I love the outside, you guys. I can put all my Polaroids here and write little cute things on it, put stickers. You can make this your own. That's what I like about it, that you can make it your own. Okay, so this is not something that a lot of people talk about, but I did see Amanda Essing make a video about this a long time ago, and it's about deodorant and all the chemicals that are involved and that you are putting under your arms. So I did get this mask. You apply it every like 1 or 2 times a week, and you leave it on for like 5 minutes, and it's supposed to like detox your underarms and take away all those chemicals that have been built up throughout the years using, you know, like normal deodorants. This is by the brand Lavinla, and you do have to get like a natural deodorant. You can't just use this and keep on applying your normal deodorant because you won't be doing anything. So I did get this one. It's a native deodorant right here. I got the coconut vanilla scent. It does say paraben free, aluminum free. So you do have to look for those two things when buying a natural deodorant. Okay, now switching over to some gym working out stuff. So you know, it's quarantine and I wanted to get fit. So since I can't go to the gym, I mean I can, but I'm just not gonna risk going to the gym. I decided to work out at home every day for like an hour and a half. If you really want it, you'll get it, trust me. So I did talk to like this girl that she's really into like the whole fitness stuff, and I asked her about some bands and which one I should get. And I was normally gonna get the peach ones. I don't know if you guys know which ones those are, but these will work better. So I did get these. It comes in here, it comes in like a pack of 2. These right here, they weren't expensive. I saw these bands and they were like $30 and up, and I was like, what? No. And since I'm gonna be doing it from my own home, I'm not gonna purchase something super expensive, like no. And I'm also a newbie. I didn't really know how to use these. Oh, the one that I use the most is this one because it is harder. If I use this my legs, because I do use these on my legs, if I use these on my legs, I won't really be doing anything because it's too easy for me. So I prefer this one that is harder for me to like lift my leg up or do anything with them. But it did come in a pack. I mean, I can use the blue ones for something else. It doesn't really matter. I have been using these every single day, and I've been loving it. So if you've been looking for some bands, these are amazing. The price was amazing. The quality they have is amazing. I mean, what more can you ask for? So I've been loving these, and if you've been looking for bands, try these. And look how cute. They come in this pack. You can just put the two of them in here and carry on. Okay, another item. I'm pretty sure almost everyone has these already. They're pretty popular. The Sweet Sweat Waist Trimmer. So I've actually had this for a while. I had this for like over 2 years already. It's amazing. It's amazing. Like, I started using it again. It reminded me how amazing it really is. This is for you girls that don't typically sweat. Even if you do sweat and you want to sweat a bit more, this will make you sweat. Like, I promise you guys, I do not sweat for anything. I do not sweat. This I just put it around my waist, my belly, everything. I do my workouts. By the time I'm done, I'm dripping. Like, I take this off and you can see the sweat on this. You can see the sweat on my belly. Like, it's pretty disgusting, but it will do its job. Like, it does its job. Have you guys been looking for something like this to sweat, that will make you sweat more every time you work out? I highly recommend this. It's pretty good. Okay, my beauties, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys do like this type of videos, just let me know down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep on making more Amazon favorites, monthly favorites, or whatever it is that you guys do want to see. And until next time.